Hey kindergartners, it's me again. We're going to show you how to get into your math course and do a couple of activities to get your week started off for week 1. So first, as always, we're going to go to our dashboard, and then we're going to find our blue tile for kindergarten math. And now that I have kindergarten math open, I'll see immediately my week 1 assignments that are due by September 10th. In this list, and this is just a suggested work schedule, you don't have to go on this, but this schedule, just like your reading one, each day will give you about 30 to 45 minutes of work, maybe a little bit more than that some days, but something in that range of math every day. So I suggest you follow the schedule. But that's okay if you want to do more math one day than another day. That's okay. You pace how you want to do it. So to access any one of our assignments for the day, I'm just going to click on the blue links, and notice on Wednesday, that will be tomorrow, you'll have 2 things you need to do. You need to do the days of the week lesson, and then you also need to do the days of the week worksheet. So you just click on it and it should open for you. When you have this open, just like in reading class, when you're in the lessons, you have to make sure you scroll all the way down and see everything that's on the page. And you need to make sure you click the yellow arrow to move to all the pages that are in that lesson so that you do everything on every page of the lesson. You'll notice that there's a lot of video in this course, and if you need something read to you and there's not a speaker like there was in reading, there's this extra tool up here at the top that you can click up here, and you can hit either the play to play anything you highlight or select, or you can take just this hand and it will read it to you.
Watch this video to find out what the names are and what order they are in.
If you don't need it read to you, you can close this.
What day comes after Sunday?
So that's
Monday is the day after Sunday. 2 of 3.
So when I'm done, I can click that again and turn that off. It's another way to have the page read to you if you'd like. So here's your activities here. Once you've completed all of them, you hit the yellow and you go to the next page. So notice this one was only 3 pages long. But there is an activity that you need to do here. So I'm going to click the activity button and show you what it's like to do an activity in here. And this is a printable where you'll have to print this and cut out the cards and do some work here as the assignment says. And then when you come back to Canvas, when you close that window when you're all done with the printing, you come back to Canvas and it looks like I'm out of pages, so I'm done with this lesson. And when I'm done with the lesson, I just click home and I go back home to my next assignment, and I see that I have an assignment also due tomorrow. So I'm going to click on that, and that's going to be the days of the week spreadsheet or worksheet. That we just did with the flashcards. And you'll just upload a picture of what you've done with the worksheet to me right here at this link. If I show you what this will look like for you as a student. Oops. Okay, restart now. This is what it looks like as a student when I click on the assignment link. I get that worksheet that we did with the days of the week. We're going to hit submit, and you are going to choose a file to upload, and that would be a picture that you take from your Chromebook or anything else, and you upload the picture to me, and we'll just pretend that it's this picture for me. I click on it and say upload, and then I just hit the big blue submit assignment button. And then I've turned in the worksheet I've done. As I mentioned in the reading one, you are getting workbooks, and those should come this week to your house. So watch for them in the mail coming from CPDLF so that you won't have to print all these things, and you will be able to pull them out of your workbook going forward. If you have any questions on how to do this math assignment, I'm going to click home to go back to the main part. And you'll see your other assignments here. But if you have any questions, please grab me and hang out at any point. On Thursday, you just have a lesson to do. Notice on Friday, we're back to IXL again. And you'll use that IXL username and password that we practiced with last week. And these are the assignments that you have to do for IXL. And that's pretty much your Friday is all IXL. On Monday, you'll have another worksheet to work on. And then on Tuesday, you get to do a quiz and show me how smart you are. And you submit the quiz. And that's kind of what your math week looks like for week 1. As always, like I said, grab me and hang out, and I can help you with any of the questions that you have in this first week as you learn your way around your new courses. I look forward to seeing your work. Good job this past week. Talk to you soon.